Welcome to the best picks. The best RC plane motors is probably one of the most crucial components for your RC airplane, directly impacting its performance, flight characteristics, and overall enjoyment. Choosing the right motor involves considering factors such as power, size, weight, kV rating, RPM per volt, and compatibility with your chosen propeller and battery, ensuring optimal thrust and flight time. This video will guide you through the essential aspects of selecting the perfect motor for your RC plane, helping you make an informed decision and avoid common pitfalls. Number 5. Flash D2826 Motor. Introducing the Flash Hobbyhh D2826 brushless motor, designed for superior performance and reliability. It's built to deliver exceptional power and efficiency for your RC aircraft. This motor boasts a 12N14P high torque design. This means you'll experience stronger thrust and more power than with ordinary brushless motors. The precisely balanced rotor ensures smooth, high-speed operation. It runs without shake, providing excellent reliability in maximum RPM. High-purity copper windings maximize efficiency. Combined with 42SH magnets and NMB bearings, it offers superior insulation and heat resistance. With a 2200 kV rating and a shaft size of 3.17 by 41 mm, it's compatible with 7 to 8 inch propellers. It's perfect for various applications. It works with 2-3S LiPo batteries and is ideal for RC aircraft, drones, fixed-wing aircraft, helicopters, planes, and multicopters. Take to the skies with confidence. What we like. It features a powerful design that provides strong thrust. If you need a motor for demanding applications and prioritize performance, this is the one for you. Its high efficiency ensures longer flight times, making it ideal for various RC aircraft. What people say. Works as expected. The machining and operation of this motor is fine. This has a lot of thrust and extremely high build quality. Used on my big P-51 Mustang 50. I used this motor in a 60-inch wingspan foam storch that I built from foam and was really impressed at the power swinging a 9-inch prop. Number 4. Goolsky SURPASS 2216 Motor. Get ready to experience superior performance with this powerful motor. It's designed for high-performance RC airplanes, delivering exceptional speed and efficiency. This motor boasts a unique 14-pole 12-slot design. This innovative structure provides higher torque and smoother operation than traditional motors. The robust CNC machined 6061 T6 billet aluminum heatsink can ensure efficient heat dissipation. This keeps it cool even under intense operation. High-purity copper windings maximize efficiency, reducing energy loss and increasing power output. You'll notice a significant improvement in your aircraft's performance. It features high RPM ABEC 5 oversized bearings for ultimate smoothness and reliability. These bearings ensure long-lasting performance and minimal friction. The precision-balanced rotor minimizes vibrations, resulting in smoother operation and higher top speeds. Experience unparalleled control and stability. With super thin, 0.2 mm, stator laminations, it's engineered for maximum energy conversion. This means more power and longer flight times for your RC airplane. What we like. This motor boasts a robust construction built to last. If you're looking for a reliable and long-lasting motor that can handle tough conditions, this is a great choice. Its precision engineering ensures smooth operation and maximum efficiency for extended flights. What people say. Well built and has performed well. The easily removable prop mount would make replacing a bend shaft simple if the need arose. This motor has amazed me. I used it on a long-range FPV build and with a 3S 5200 mAh battery and staying around 1.3 throttle I can get around a 45-minute to 1-hour flight time. Amazing. I tried measuring the current draw at full power, however I was unable to since my multimeter could only go to 15A, but here's the data I collected with an APC Slowfly 10 by 4.7 and a 3S battery. 25%, 265G, 2.4A 50%, 575G, 7A 75%, 890G, 14.6A. Without the multimeter I was able to get around 1400 grams of thrust at full power. When in flight I could get the power draw to be around 4-5A flying level with an almost 900 gram plane, 2 pounds. I was able to install this motor on my RC glider Volantex Phoenix S1600 and it works fine, better than the original with a 3S battery. Number 3. Hobbyhh 3530. This powerful motor is perfect for your next RC project. It's built to last and delivers exceptional performance. It's constructed from high-quality aluminum alloy and copper for lightweight durability and smooth operation. Enjoy reliable performance with minimal noise. Replacing your old motor is a breeze. It's designed for simple installation and removal, making maintenance quick and easy. Experience powerful thrust and high efficiency with low power consumption. It's built to withstand the rigors of outdoor use. With its precisely balanced rotor, it delivers impressive RPM and reliability. Get ready for a smooth and enjoyable flight experience. It boasts a 1100 kV rating, 313 W of power, and is compatible with 7.4V, 14.8V batteries. Convenient 3.5mm banana connectors are included. What we like. This motor is made from high-quality materials for superior durability. If you value ease of use and a long-lasting product, this is perfect for you. Its simple installation and high efficiency make it a great option for DIY enthusiasts and those new to RC aircraft. What people say. Runs very well. Quiet. Comes with everything you need to install. With a 12.6 propeller and 4S LiPo, this motor ran up to 10,700 RPM and developed 6 pounds of pull in a static test. I am retrofitting it into S40 sized 5 pounds plane and have no doubt it will do all the stunt maneuvers, snap rolls, spins etc. without a problem. I've been using this motor for a few months now, and it hasn't failed me yet. I use it on scratch-built RC planes and it works perfectly for that. It survived a few hard crashes and hundreds of flights. Number 2. RC A2212 Motor Kit. This kit is perfect for building your own RC aircraft. It includes everything you need to get started, including a powerful brushless motor, a high-capacity ESC, and durable servos. The 1400 kV brushless outrunner motor provides ample power for various RC applications. It's compatible with 2 to 3 Li-poly batteries, ensuring efficient and reliable performance. The 30A ESC features a linear BEC output, providing a stable 5V, 2A power supply for your servos and other components. It supports 2-4S LiPo batteries. These servos offer quick and accurate control, with a response time of 0.12 seconds at 60 degrees. They operate on 4.8V, 6V power. The included 8060 propeller is designed for optimal efficiency and performance. It's perfectly matched to the motor for maximum thrust. It features convenient T-plug and 3.5mm banana connectors, eliminating the need for soldering and simplifying the assembly process. This makes setup quick and easy. This versatile kit is suitable for various RC applications, including airplanes, quadcopters, helicopters, and multirotor aircraft. Build your dream RC craft today. What we like. This is a convenient all-in-one package that includes everything you need to get started. If you're a beginner and want a simple, easy-to-use setup, this is the ideal choice. Its pre-wired connectors simplify installation and make it suitable for various RC applications. What people say. The motor works well, definitely get a better ESC, this one gets hot, but will get you by on a DIY build temporarily, and the props, well, just hope your plane can glide well, definitely get different props. Everything came as described. I installed this combo in a scratch build and could not get the ESC to calibrate. The motor would not do anything but shake. I started troubleshooting and found 4 out of the 6 soldered-on bullet connectors broke under the heat shrink. I took them all apart and soldered them myself. It works now. I bought this motor for my 3D RC plane. The addition of the mounting hardware was a plus. I am very pleased with my purchase. Number 1. RC2212 Motor Combo. Get ready to experience the thrill of flight. This combo pack includes everything you need to power your RC aircraft. Let's take a closer look. It's perfect for various aircraft, from gliders and quadcopters to helicopters and more. Its versatility makes it a great choice for any RC enthusiast. Built with high-quality metal and plastic, it's designed for durability and easy installation. You'll enjoy smooth, reliable performance. This 2200 kV motor delivers impressive power. It's compatible with 2 to 3 LiPo batteries and boasts a maximum power output of 342 W. The included 30A ESC features convenient T-plug and 3.5mm banana connectors for easy setup. It's designed for 2 to 3 cell LiPo batteries. With the 6035 propeller and all necessary components included, you're ready for takeoff. Enjoy the power and precision of this amazing combo. What we like. This combo pack offers great value and convenience with all the necessary components. If you're looking for a high-performance, ready-to-go solution, this is a great option. Its compatibility with various RC aircraft makes it a versatile choice for many applications. What people say. The motor appears to be balanced pretty well. The motor has plenty of power, and you'll get a lot of thrust from the included props. Very durable, great performance, no overheating problems. I've made several different models with these. They have plenty of power. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.